Hey, Andrew here for mynexttablet.com. About a week ago, Huawei introduced the MediaPad M5 Pro that will be available starting at 550 euros, including 4G and the M Pen Stylus in April. In this video, we want to take a closer look at the pen and its top 6 software features. I've got a detailed hands-on video with the MediaPad M5 Pro up already, so if you want to know more about the tablet itself, you can check it out on this channel. This video is about the M Pen and its features. As I said, the M Pen comes included at its starting price of 550 euros. The price should be very similar in US dollars. If you want, you can buy the pen extra for around 70 euros, but according to Huawei, the stylus works with the Pro version only, so you won't be able to use it with other M5 tablets. Well, the stylus is called M Pen and kind of looks like a normal pen. It is not too thin so that it is comfortable to hold for longer periods. There are 2 buttons on the side, and with those you can use shortcuts or use them to transform the pen into an eraser in drawing apps. On the top there's a clipping thing so you can attach the pen somewhere. If you rotate the clip, you get access to a USB Type-C port that's used to charge it. The battery should last up to 21 days. The tip is pressure sensitive and supports 4096 pressure points. That means if you draw something without applying a lot of pressure, you get a thin line. If you press a bit harder, you get a thicker line. And if you angle it a bit, you can draw light shading. So the M Pen kind of acts like a real pencil. By the way, the tablet does feature palm rejection, so you can rest your hand on the tablet and the pen works fine. Alright, let's take a look at the top 6 software features for the M Pen. They are the top 6 features, well, and the only ones I could find. Samsung is offering more features for its S Pen. Number 1, you can take a screenshot using the pen. To do that, you just have to press the lower button and tap on the screen twice. Once the screenshot is made, you can edit it. For example, add some handwriting annotations. The screenshot editing feature works exactly like on other Huawei devices, so only the shortcut with the pen is new. Number 2, you can cut out something from the screen and edit it. Again, you press the lower button and just draw what you want to cut out on the screen. Then you can edit it just like a standard screenshot. That might be useful if we want to cut out some text of a document and add some notes. Number 3 is the shortcut menu. With that one, you get quick access to pre-installed apps for the M Pen. To open the shortcut menu, you just hold down the lower button again and tap on the screen once. There's a little help section as well with some tips. Number 4 is handwriting recognition. It is an active stylus, so you might want to write text with it. There's a handwriting recognition built into the keyboard itself, so you can use your handwriting to write in every notes app, the browser, and everywhere else. Your handwriting is transformed into standard text automatically. Number 5 is a Handwriting Calculator. One of the pre-installed apps is called Handwriting Calculator. You can use this calculator by writing down some calculations with the pen. Well, it is a calculator, so it calculates the result for you. Number 6 is Nebo for Huawei. That is another pre-installed notes app, and it mostly works like other note-taking apps. You can organize your notes in several notebooks and so on. What's special is the built-in handwriting recognition. So you can write down some notes with the pen and you can send it out as a standard text file. By the way, you can get the pre-installed Nebo, the calculator, and the Autodesk Sketchbook app in the Play Store, so you can use all those apps on other tablets as well. Alright, that's a more detailed look at the M Pen stylus and its top 6 features, and as far as I can see, the only software features it offers. If you've got any questions, just write them down below and subscribe for further videos. I will publish more videos about the M5 tablets as soon as they are available. I'm Andrew for mynexttablet.com. Thanks for watching.